I'm just happy that I've been given this opportunity.
The one-man Commission of Justice, retired BP Katake, appointed by the High Court of Meghalaya on Tuesday, finalized the Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) for transportation of coal brought from outside the state or transported through the state to Bangladesh to counter the illegal transportation of locally mined coal disguised as coal sourced from outside the state. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, he said that the state government has suggested some changes in the earlier SOP. He also suggested that Secretary Mining and Geology should be a part of the decision-making process in the SOP.
Typographical mistake, and also instead of mentioning the name of Bangladesh instead of neighboring countries. So we have the neighboring country only Bangladesh, in fact. Meghalaya. So, but they have also, I have also suggested that the Secretary Mining and Geology should be part of the decision-making process in the SOP. So I have reiterated that Secretary should be there, and we have finalized the SOP. That SOP is relating to the coal brought from outside the state to the state of Meghalaya, or for export to the state of, Bangladesh through Meghalaya. We have laid down certain guidelines rather